Tired of clunky crypto trading platforms that feel like navigating a rocket ship blindfolded? Let's cut through the noise and reveal the top crypto trading apps set to revolutionize your digital asset investment in 2025. First up, we're focusing on user interface. A clean, intuitive design is crucial, especially in the fast-paced crypto world. Look for apps with customizable watchlists, real-time data feeds, and easy navigation. I recommend exploring the demo versions of apps you are interested in to get a feel for the interface before signing up. Next, let's talk fees. High transaction fees can eat into your profits. Compare the fee structures of different platforms, paying close attention to trading fees, withdrawal fees, and deposit fees. Some apps offer tiered fee structures based on trading volume, so consider your trading frequency. Now, for the serious traders, advanced charting tools are a must. Look for apps that offer a variety of technical indicators, drawing tools, and order types, like limit orders and stop-loss orders. This will help you perform in-depth market analysis and execute more strategic trades. Security is paramount. Ensure the app offers robust security features, including two-factor authentication, biometric login, and cold storage options. Research the app's security track record and look for any past breaches or vulnerabilities. Customer support availability is also very important. Finally, coin selection. Make sure the app supports the cryptocurrencies you want to trade. Some apps offer a wider selection than others. Also consider apps offering staking features. By comparing these features, you can choose the right platform to make the most out of your digital assets.